long, lustrous and smooth hair are almost every girl's desire. But it is difficult to attain that shine without proper care of the hair. Hair is made of protein fibers that come from follicles located on the scalp. If you follow a good diet regime, your hair follicles will get essential nutrients and you will get that shiny, healthy hair. Let us look at some home remedies which can help you get shiny and long hair. Take one mashed banana, add one raw egg to it, add 3 tablespoons of milk, add 3 tablespoons of honey, mix it well. Apply this to your hair and scalp, leave it for half an hour and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. Take 2 raw eggs, add 5 teaspoons of olive oil, mix it well. Apply this on your scalp and wear a shower cap. Leave it on for 30 minutes and wash your hair with a mild shampoo. A good precaution to avoid damaging hair is being careful with the hair dryer. Instead of using it right after you get out of the shower, let your hair dry naturally until they are mildly damp. Then use the hair dryer. Also, you should be gentle while combing your hair. Take care of yourself.
For more such natural home remedies, visit www.homeveda.com.